Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at these lights that were sent out to me. Now these are wall lights. Everything that you need to assemble them comes in the kit. These are the actual covers for the lights. I'm going to show you guys how to install those. You actually get two options when it comes to mounting these lights. Now they come with some hardware in case you want to permanently mount them, with screws. So you can screw some holes or drill some holes in the wall and permanently mount these. That's an option. It comes with all of your different little mounting screws and the little braces and everything that comes with that. Now, as far as the lights themselves, when you first unbox this, it's going to come with this little starter manual and this little VIP card. That's something that you find in our box. You also get these wall mounts. Now, these are nice because these are just going to stick onto your wall. You don't have to worry about drilling any holes. This is going to make it really efficient for you to set these up. That's going to make it perfect for a kid's room, office space, or something like that. Now, it comes with two remotes, and the remotes are already synced up with the lights. Now, you will have to pull out this little tab to release the battery to give you control of the lights, your on and off features, your volume for the lights or intensity for the lights. You have some color effects that you can go through, and you have some different modes that you can set. We'll take a look at those as well. Now, as far as the lights themselves, so here are the lights that you get in the box. Now, these are also going to come with some magnets that you can adhere to the back of these. So I actually have one of them already connected just to show you guys how these work. So you're just going to basically stick the magnet onto this, and what that magnet's going to do is connect to this metal bar that you have here on the light. Okay, so let's put one of these lights together and show you guys exactly how this whole system works. Okay, so as you guys can see, those little clips here just going to clip onto the bar. You'll have that center bar in this the middle here. That's where you're going to attach the light itself. You also have some cutouts here. You're going to have to kind of line these up a little bit just so that you can connect it to whichever of the different wall mounts that you want. Now, this also has Velcro on the back of it. So you're just going to stretch this around and tighten up that Velcro. Lay that as flat as you possibly can. And it is adjustable. So, of course, you have that option. So once you get this lined up and everything, guys, you're going to mount that on your wall. And then, of course, you can take your light, which is just going to fit inside like this. And then you'll be able to turn this on using the remote to run this light. Now, it comes with a micro USB cable. That cable, obviously is for charging the lights. So whenever you're ready to charge these, you're just going to take these out. You're going to plug it in and charge these up 100%, and then you're going to be pretty much good to go. All right, so let's throw these up on the wall and see exactly what these things look like in the room. All right, guys, let me show you one more little quick feature. If you don't have your remote handy, you can control the light once it's on. So once you turn your light on, as you guys see, this one is on, you can switch through and change the colors by just pressing on it like so, and you can cycle through the different colors. I think that's within itself a very good feature, because if the kids lose the remote, they can just come over and just tap on this and turn the light on by reaching up inside of the light fixture. So that's a very interesting and unique feature. I like it. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I have the light mounted. I have our remote, so we can turn our light on. We can increase the intensity of the light, as you see here. We can also change the color of the light. So if we wanted it to be more of a red hue, you have that option as well. You can see how the light looks inside. So we can go to blue or to green. We have these different modes that you can set for the light as well. And you can kind of cycle through those different modes using the remote. And of course, at any time, you can also turn off the light. So really nice design, guys. So if you're looking for a light for your wall, for your kids' room, your office, something like that, this could be ideal. Was really easy to set up. You guys can see here, I just used the wall adhesives and it mounted perfectly. Beautiful, matches well with the wall. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.